What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cancel subscription on PayPal. So, you might be wondering how to exactly cancel a subscription that you've made using your PayPal account here. Well, this one is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to paypal.com and obviously you want to go and log in. Now, at the top right of your screen, you should see a gear icon next to log out here. So we want to go and click on it. And in here, what we need to do is we want to access a few things. So in this case, you want to go and access the option for payments. And under payments, what we need to do is we want to go and click on automatic payments. But in here, what we need to do is we just need to select the account that you may want to cancel your subscription. So for example, let's go and select the first account that we have here. And you should be able to see that specific billing for or subscription for that account. So what you need to do is you just need to click on the cancel button that you see here next to active. And once you click on it, it's going to give you this pop-up here. So it's just going to confirm if you really want to cancel it. So go ahead and click on cancel automatic payments here. And once you've done that, you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.